Hello everyone! 今年も暑くなってまいりました。夏季講習の予約も始まっています。席は限られていますので、ぜひお早めにお問い合わせください。また、インターTOMASの Facebook を開設しました。今後、様々なコンテンツをご紹介してまいりますので、お楽しみに。One step ahead!
Hello and welcome to Inner TOMAS YouTube channel. Today, I'll be giving you cooking instructions. Try to write down what I say and try to make it at home. Here we go! First, here are the ingredients. Try to listen carefully. Here are the instructions. Step 1. To make the biscuit base, crush the digestive biscuits with a rolling pin or blitz in a food processor. Then, tip into a bowl with the sugar and butter and stir to combine. Butter and line an 18 centimeter springform tin and tip in the biscuit mixture, pushing it down with the back of a spoon. Chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Step 2. To make the cheesecake, melt the chocolate in short bursts in the microwave. Then, leave to cool slightly. Whip the cream in a large bowl using an electric whisk until soft peaks form. Then, fold in the cocoa powder. Beat the cream cheese and sugar together. Then, fold in the cream mixture and the cooled chocolate. Step 3. Spoon the cheesecake mixture over the biscuit base, leveling it out with the back of a spoon. Transfer to the freezer and freeze for 2 hours, or until set. Remove from the tin and leave at room temperature to soften for about 20 minutes before serving. Do you know what this recipe is for? Please tell us how you did and send us a picture with the dictation. Also, remember to hit the like and subscribe button. And see you next time!